welcome back to my channel. It's me Aishwarya Arora and I hope you all are doing great. So I recently received these products from SkinQ. This is the SkinQ Beauty Box, that is facial at home, and this is the SkinQ Sun Protect Gel. So this is the SkinQ Anti-Acne Facial Kit. It is a 5-step facial kit at home, and I'll start with the packaging as I always do. I must say that the packaging is quite nice and it opens up like this. It's a single use pack, but you can get the multi-purpose use pack as well. So it comes with these 5 steps and a proper instruction guidebook, and all the ingredients and directions to use each and every step are stated behind every pack. This facial kit provides instantly healthy skin in 45 minutes just using simple 5 steps. It has no paraben, chemicals, silicone or GMO, and this kit is cruelty free. This facial kit is dermatologically formulated especially for Indian skin. Next we have SkinQ Sun Protect Gel. It is a sunscreen made for sensitive skin and it has SPF 40 and PA 4x+. This is the only Indian sunscreen that has vitamin C infused in it. It does photo protection of the skin, fight free radical damage, reduces tanning and sun damage. And again, I'm really impressed by the packaging of it. This sunscreen gives such luxurious feel. It has a pump bottle. This is how it is. It is properly packed and it has something here. So this is how we open, and you can use it with the help of this pump. This sunscreen is non-comedogenic, silicone free and paraben free. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon right next to it so that you will get updated whenever I post my next video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, guys. I am most active there. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I've changed my clothes into this because I don't want my new clothes to get stained or anything. So I'm gonna start with the very first step, that is micellar water. It removes the dirt, grime, rids off the skin from makeup and removes excess sebum. It has niacinamide, which regulates sebum or oil production and reduces severity of the acne due to its anti-inflammatory properties. And it has witch hazel extract, which soothes the skin and minimizes pore size. The directions to use this is: apply it on a cotton pad, wipe across your face in horizontal strokes until no residual or dirt or makeup is visible to the pad. Repeat with a fresh cotton pad. Press the pad gently to your eyelids and lips and hold it in place for 5 seconds before softly wiping away to remove makeup or any dirt on your face. It deep cleanses, unclogs pores and softens dead skin to unveil healthy and bright skin. Powerful active mix of natural hydroxy acids, that is glycolic acid and salicylic acid, penetrates deep into the pores of the skin to remove excess oil and diminishes inflamed acne to smoothen and brighten the skin without surface irritation. The directions to use this are: massage gently on the face and neck with fingertips in circular motions for 2 minutes, avoiding area around the eyes. Leave for 7 to 10 minutes. Wash or wipe with water. Massage butter. It has niacinamide, which calms the skin during the massage while increasing the circulation and helps detox the skin. So the directions to use this are as: apply as small dots to face and neck. Gently massage the face and neck with outward strokes during your fingertips for 5 minutes until it is completely absorbed. Serum. It has azelaic acid with antimicrobial properties, treats acne by suppressing the growth of bacteria, reducing the production of melanin to reduce acne scars. Ethyl ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C present in it, reduces free radical damage. Niacinamide has an anti-inflammatory action which protects the skin from within. Salicylic acid present in it reduces the oil production and soothes the skin pores. The directions to use this are: apply it all over the face and neck with fingertips using circular motion. Massage into the skin till it's absorbed. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Apply the sheet mask on the top of the pre-mask serum. So the 5th step is sheet mask. It's a mix of powerful antioxidants such as turmeric, amla, grapeseed extract, and soy extract work on protecting the skin, increasing skin immunity and defense barrier. Carrot seed oil, rich in vitamins and minerals, nourishes the skin. The algae mask has the capacity to increase the absorption of the actives into the deeper skin layers. The directions to use this are: take this powder in a bowl, mix it with water to make a paste, gently apply the mask evenly onto the face and neck in a thin layer, let it set for 10 minutes, peel off from the edges towards the center of the face. Definitely feels calm and smooth after the facial. I'm gonna complete my facial with using this SkinQ Sun Protect Gel. This lightweight sunscreen gel is specially formulated for Indian skin with non-sticky feel. Its unique formulation has antioxidants and sunscreen agents blended together for superior skin protection. It has non-oily, soft and velvety touch to the skin with no residue. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, helps reduce pigmentation and irritation caused by sun-induced UV rays. So I'm just gonna take 4 to 6 pumps of it and apply all over my face and neck. With this we complete our facial at home. So this is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. If you want to check out any of the SkinQ products, you can visit their website, that is www.skinq.com. I'll link their website and Instagram page in the description box below, so don't forget to check it all out. If you enjoyed watching it, then don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Do leave a comment and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.